Hey everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will continue to work on our Battle Royale game system. Today we will work on something that is quite similar to level streaming, which is called world composition. So this is something which will be used for big worlds, like the Legend of Zelda or Battlegrounds map and so on. So actually this one also only needs one map and not like we have a game map and a lobby map. So this is what we do today. We will create one map that contains all the stuff we need. And we will get rid of this lobby and demo game map. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we have to do is create a new folder called world composition. Once you did this, open this one up and let's create a new level. And this one will be a default level. So delete the floor and let's add a sky light to it. Bring it up, click on the skylight, go to details, make it movable, and let's make it a bit more daylight. So go to engine content and make here this cube daylight. Let's bring the intensity down, and yeah, this is okay. So before we continue, let me show you a new window which I use for all this stuff. Click on window and click on levels. So this window here contains all the stuff we need for world composition or for level streaming. So bring it here to the side and scale this down. And here this green pencil indicates that we need to save the levels. So let's save this level under world composition. And this one will be our world map. And this one will be saved. So here's where the magic starts. We go to world settings, we make sure that we are in this level, and we click on enable world composition. So this is a tiled world. This means that you can actually tile the world into or a world of 8 kilometers into small pieces of 0.5 kilometers and blend them in after you go into certain areas. So this reduces lags and also reduce memory usage. So this is very important for online games, but also for big RPGs or similar things. So let's save again. And here's our level window. So we have here two more buttons. This one is the level details. I will connect this here. And we have the world composition. So this is the whole world. So this is the max size of Unreal Engine, and here's where we at the moment are. And to actually add here something to this, we will just go here into levels and create a new one. We could also import tile landscapes, what only works with terrain generators like World Machine or else. But these programs are not free, so we will not use them. So we will just work with the normal landscape. So create a new map here now, which is called map 1, for example. And this one is currently not loaded because you can see it's gray. So if you click on it, you can load it. So, and at the moment we're in the persistent level, which is indicated here, world map. And if you want to edit something inside this map, you click on this and make current. So now we'll level map 1. And we can, or everything we will rework here will be only on this map 1 saved. But we can also go into this through the world map. This is the workflow of world composition. And yeah, actually we need to save this first, and then we can create here a landscape. For this I go like this here, 0, 0 everything out, and I have 63 quads and number of components is 8, and my resolution is 505. So create this one. And let's get back to the object mode, scale a bit out so we are faster here. As you can see, we have now this map here, and if we click on this world composition, we now can see this world here, and also we can move it here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And the next magic trick here is if we want to add another actual landscape to it, we will just right click on it and add adjacent landscape level. I want the plus X, so I call this map 2, and I will just add this map 2 here to the side. So this is how it looks, and now the trick is that we have two separated maps. But when we go into the persistent level and click on the landscape, we can actually select both and paint on both. So there's no gap between these two. So if you hide here this one, or you hide this one, you can see there's no actual gap there. So yeah, that's pretty cool and helps us a lot of working to get done. And yeah, that's the small part about world composition. We will now also add another layer to this level, which will be our lobby. So let's create here one called lobby. Oh, my bad. Let's delete this again. I'll reopen the world map to get rid here of the gray scale and load these two maps again. Yeah, there was my mistake. We need to go into the world composition and click here on it, and or actually we don't need to add to this landscape because we don't want to paint on both at equal time. So we can just create here a new one called lobby. This was correct. And yeah, we can load this. And we can create now a new landscape. For this we will hide these two. Click then on the landscape. We are inside our level lobby, so we can create this now. So let's actually move this a bit. So yeah, there is the problem. Let's see, here's my lobby, and now here I can move it. So very easy. Our lobby will be somewhere here. So as you can see, we are there, and here's our game map. So now how can we do this that when we are playing here in the lobby, we will not see this map? So yeah, this is also very easy. For this we have a thing called layers, and here we have the layers, which will be my layer called the lobby layer. Again, lobby, and the distance for this is just 15. So if we're leaving the tile 15 steps out, it will disappear. So when we teleport from this to this, we will not see this anymore. So we create this, and then all we have to do is move this little layer to the lobby and save everything up. So very simple. Let's see how we can go to this. So let me just run to this point here, and let's play from here. So like you can see, I move out and it's despawned. Very easy. So yeah, actually that's it. And the next few steps will be just working with the third-person character and all the UMG stuff. So let's actually open up our main menu map, and let's open up our menu UMG. So the first thing we want to do is when we click here on the button, we don't want to go through all the stuff here and open the lobby. We want to go through all of the stuff and open the world map. So we copy the name and paste it in here, compile and save, and then we can play test this, and we spawn here. So this is working. Maybe it would be better for us to just indicate or spawn some player characters. So let me go to the persistent level and let's create some player starts here. Like this. And now if you play, let's get first one. Why is this boy? Oh, because we got there another player start. So delete this and only make sure we have these 2 player starts here. And now we should spawn here. Yeah, this is working. So actually we can also not see the other tile, which is pretty cool. So let's go to the edge here. And it disappears. So yeah, this is working also for us. So very cool. The next step would be work with our HUD here. So this means we would go to the blueprints and create a new folder called here stream. I will use this as a subfolder for copying all the stuff over. So let's create a new game mode called World Comp game mode. And actually we need something else. We want to copy the lobby state base. So duplicate this and we call this stream. Or let's call it World Comp game mode, game state base. It's a very large name, just move it there. Here we go. These 2, we want to save them, and we want to make sure that the default pawn is the 3rd person character, and save this also. Next we want to do is when we change here the game mode, we need to restart the project, so let's do this. And after we did this and we hit play and start, we can see that we spawn as our client. But why is this not correctly loading? Let's see. The world map. So what did I wrong here? Let's go back into the main menu and let's hit play. Okay, now it works. So here we are, we can't move because we're not setting the correct game mode. For this we're going into our 3rd person character. And we take here our event begin play. And we go into the lobby character and we copy this stuff here over. Very simple. Let's bring this in here. Quick. Compile, save. Delete the print and let's make here an as valid. So only if it's valid we want to add to viewport. So let's see. And we can move actually. So this is quite good. And before we continue, let me say something. This is something we need, or I need to work on before we really can use this. So if you make this here exactly at the bottom, you will fall through through this lobby system platform because it's not loaded, and you will fall through it if you launch it from here. So to fix this, just make it a bit higher here. So we spawn in the air, it has some time to load, and then you land on the air on this platform. Yeah, that's for this part. So let's get fast through the other parts of this. So open up the HUD, go to graph, and here on the lobby state, we don't want to have the lobby state, we want to cast to, actually we want to compile first and cast this problem again. So this is a small bug here, close it and reopen it. Type and get game state and let's cast to. Okay, let's open here the World Comp game state. Now it should work. There it is, cast to World Comp game state. And we want to get these seconds. and we want to get them in. Oh, there's a small mistake, but it doesn't really matter, so just connect them up and connect this one. Compile and save and hit play here. And yeah, one or two more things we need to do here. Go into the third person character and let's actually delete this one here. Delete this one here. Delete back. Can't go back here, so let's create this widget again, because this also bugs. Promote to variable called HUD is valid. Connect them up here. Connect these two together. And now this should work here. Oops, forgot this one. No, it doesn't want to work. Why does this not work? Yeah, this is actually my bad, so of course we need to actually make this here to the World Comps database. Let's do this fast here and let's open this up again. So inside here, let's open up our world composition map. So open this world map here. Let's show everything and let's play. There's our HUD. So yeah, this is working. Let's work on the stream now. Sorry, on the spawn, of course. So open up your third person character here. Inside here, we want to actually have a custom event, which will be our spawning. And then a function will remove HUD. Very simple here. Grab in this one. Is valid. And if it's valid, we want to remove from parent, of course. Remove from parent. This one. Compile and save this. Go to the event graph. Put this in. Connect these two together. No, there it is. This is okay. Connect these together. And here at the bottom, we want also an is valid as we destroying the parachute. So only if it's valid. So yeah, that's everything we need to do here. Let's go into our world comp game state. Delete here inside the game timer the travel and all the other stuff from the lobby. Then create a new custom event, a load game. So let's do this, load game. And actually we want to, we don't need this load game because we will automatically load this with the distance. So let's see what happens. Before we see what happens, we actually want to get all the actors that are connected. So get all actors of class of the third person character. And we want, of course, for each loop here. And from this we want to spawn. And then we want to pause the timer. Which will be the game timer. Very simple. And connect these together. And let's save everything up. And yeah, that's actually everything we have to do. Sorry if I'm a bit too fast. I have not that much time, so I go very fast through all this of the stuff. So we can now delete all the lobby stuff. So get these lobby things here. Then we can delete the lobby character. And under maps we can delete the demo game map. And we can delete the lobby here. So now we can save everything up, and now I can show you how we test this. So we launch this 2 times. And once this is loaded, I click here on Start Game and here on Find Game. and we are here on the same map. And as you saw, at this point we can see the transition because the map was already loaded. So I will work on this in some next videos. So here we have everything is working correctly. You can't see the lobby platform anymore. And yeah, here's our streamed map. And we can actually make more stuff in here. I will tell you this when we land it here. So let's land here near our friend. So actually what this world composition also does is that we will add some LODs to it. That means that when we are far away, we will see LOD4, which maybe is only a landscape with 100 polygons. And as we get closer to it, we will load LOD3, LOD2, and LOD1, and so on. So yeah, this is built into the world composition, but at the moment I don't really know how to deal with it correctly without tiling landscapes. But yeah, I try my best to get this done. And yeah, if I have a good tutorial for you, I will just upload it. So yeah, this is everything for this video. I know it was a bit fast, but as I said before, I have not that much time. And I tried to answer all the questions on stream, or yeah, let's say under the video. I got not that much time in the last few weeks because of my work. Got new work going on in real life, and yeah, I try to answer more questions at the weekend. So yeah, that's all from this point. Thanks for watching. And yeah, actually, yeah, the replication works. So this is quite nice also. Yeah, sorry, going a bit off topic here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.